Today, we're taking a look at our reflections from a distance, with the help of our new pack of telescopic inspection mirrors. They come shipped to your door with 3 individually wrapped and different shaped mirrors. First, it comes with a little baby mirror. It has an adjustable head, as well as a pocket clip, so you won't lose it. This one would be great for those dentists or estheticians out there. It extends 31.5 inches, so you or an assistant can use it from a distance. Then you have your larger mirror. This one has a larger surface area and is super reflective. It about blinded me when the sun hit it. The mirrors are so reflective that I've been using them to bounce light onto my products during my video shoots. It extends 26.7 inches, so you can pretend you're in the movie Saving Private Ryan. Or you can use it to look in those hard to reach places. But my favorite mirror to use on a hunt is the last one. It's about the same size as the previous mirror, but this one comes complete with an LED light. It also extends the furthest at 34.6 inches. So it's the perfect mirror to go hunting for kittens with. A stray cat has claimed our farm as her own and just had kittens. Somewhere. Although I haven't seen the kittens, it's obvious that she had them. Somewhere. So I've been on a search, looking through all the barns and even the loft. The LED flashlight allowed me to see in those dark, hard to reach places, and made it a lot easier to search. Eventually, I found an entrance to one of the darkest and dirtiest holes I've been in, and I think I found where she's keeping them, but I don't fit. So I'm gonna have to find a new access point and use the mirror with LED flashlight to investigate further. But that's for another day. These mirrors got their money's worth already for sure. They're convenient and they come in handy. It's one of those things that are nice to have in your toolkit for when you need it. So if you'd like to get a pack for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I've gotta go take a shower. See ya.